Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est lundi le 24 septembre. Today we did our usual warm-up, so I'm going to go to French 2 pre-AP notes and activities, scroll down to the warm-ups. All right, for 4th, 6th, and 7th, everyone got a new sheet of warm-ups to put on page 30 of their notebook. This was today's first warm-up. Using the following sentence starters, write complete French sentences with the verbs you have learned. 2 of them must be something you do not do. Use ne pas. So we each person did a sentence, le dimanche, every Sunday. And then we wrote a sentence. Examples could be le dimanche, je fais les devoirs, for example. I do my homework. Le vendredi, something I don't do. Maybe le vendredi, je ne regarde pas un film. I don't watch a movie. That would be my negative one. Au printemps, I could say je ne nage pas. I don't swim. And then chez moi, I can say je regarde la télé. Something really simple. I watch TV. All right, so that is what we did today for our warm-up. This was periods 4th, 6th, and 7th. I'm going to backtrack this so that it goes back to the way it was. All right, and then for pre-AP, because I now have to have 2, I have to have 2 warm-ups because pre-AP is a little bit ahead. So for pre-AP, for 5th period, we did this warm-up. Answer the following questions in complete French sentences. De quoi as-tu besoin pour ton cours de français? This goes back to using avoir and avoir besoin de correctly, and then taking into account our classroom supplies and objects. So, de quoi as-tu besoin pour ton cours de français? What do you need for French class? Some possible examples would be you should have begun your answer with j'ai besoin. And then a pencil, for example, d'un cahier et a notebook et d'un crayon would be a couple of things you would need for French class. All right, and we remembered that we have to use the indefinite article when we are talking about needing things. The next one, qu'est-ce que tu as besoin de faire ce week-end? We talked about, this was also on our avoir and avoir besoin notes. What do you need to do this weekend? So we practiced being able to say j'ai besoin de, and then I need to, for example, to do homework. J'ai besoin de faire les devoirs. Or you could say j'ai besoin d'étudier. I need to study. Anything, any of those verbs that we've learned. J'ai besoin d'étudier. Notice that when I used a verb that began with a vowel, I dropped the E from de and added an apostrophe. So, you should begin your answer for numéro 1 with j'ai besoin de, either DE or D apostrophe. And also same thing here. J'ai besoin de, either DE or D apostrophe, and then whatever it is you need to do, and whatever items you need for French class. And then this one we all should know. Tu as quel âge? How old are you? You should answer with j'ai, j'ai, and then your age, which in my case, 51 ans. And then remember, you have to put the en. Qu'est-ce que tu n'as pas dans ton sac à dos? This is to practice the negative and also to practice savoir. What do you not have in your backpack? And one student said, je n'ai pas de bureau dans mon sac à dos. So, je n'ai pas de, whatever it is you don't have, and then dans mon sac à dos. Okay? So that is how you should have answered this. And I'm going to go ahead and leave this on here. And then J. And then je n'ai pas de, and then whatever the item is. There. So that's what that should be. So that was the fifth period warm-up. Now, periods 4th, 6th, and 7th, all we did was work on our dolls because I told y'all today would be the day you would work on your dolls. Tomorrow we have some door questions that I told everyone about and I sent a reminder about also. And I'm going to put it on Skyward. You need to be able to answer one of 3 questions before you can enter the classroom. You need to be able to either answer the question tu as quel âge, or quelle est la date de ton anniversaire, or quelle est la date aujourd'hui. So one of those 3 questions, and you don't know which one I'm going to ask, could be tu as quel âge, quelle est la date de ton anniversaire, or quelle est la date aujourd'hui. So that's for all 4 classes, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th. Now for 5th period, all we did was we presented our dolls today. So, and everyone was able to present their dolls and get it taken care of. The only one that wasn't was a student who had been absent last week, and she's going to present tomorrow. So that is it. That is all we did today. Au revoir, bon après-midi, et à demain.